Hey everybody, this is the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Just picked it up from Costco. When you get it from Costco, you get a couple extras. You get the tripod, a little memory card, and the battery handle. So let's go ahead, open this thing up, and see exactly what you get for the $4.99. All right, now that's off. Let me get this little seal here. Okay. And let's go ahead and try to open that up. There we go. Now inside the box, we have the battery handle, which is the extended battery handle. Got the camera itself. And let's see, we got some other goodies in there. Shake them out. Looking at, okay, box is empty, set that to the side. We have packing material. We have the memory card, 64 gigabytes, and the tripod, and some silica. So that's what you get. So let's go ahead and open each of these individually, and yeah, take a look. Let's just go ahead and start with the tripod. Pretty straightforward. Okay, nothing special there. This will make it so much nicer to film, to have a little tripod and a camera all in one. Beautiful, love it. All right, there's step one. Let's open the battery handle next. We'll save the camera for last. Put all the good goods together. Okay, just some instructions left in there. There we go. Pass through so you can plug in adapters, chargers, DJI wireless mic 1s like what I'm using right now. The wireless mic 2s, the DJI mic 2s connect via Bluetooth. I use generation 1 still, and I will have to plug in my adapter to this to make it work, because the generation 1 doesn't work with the Bluetooth functionality. Now let's open up the camera. Oh, that didn't work. Always have a knife nearby, right? There we go. The big reveal, here we go. Bum, bum, bum. There's something else in here. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. There's even more in there. What do we got? Stickers, lens cleaning kits, instructions, all the goods. Let's open up whatever this is. Okay, the little adapter handle. This is the regular battery handle that you get with the device versus the extended battery handle, which is basically battery. It's a power supply. So you can use a smaller one if you don't need extra battery power and you want a more compact functionality or form factor. You can use the big one when you need more battery power. Let's see what else we got in there. Chargers. They're down in there. Okay. USB-C to USB-C. And I think that's it. What came flying out of there? Ah, the little handle. Okay. The safety lanyard, if you will. Nice. All right. Now the camera itself feels like it's in some kind of a case, which is reassuring. Sure is. There you go. It's in a hard plastic case on this side, and the camera is facing in this way. But that's what you're looking at right there. And you want to pop it out. Looks like you just pull. Yep, nice and easy, smooth. I like it. Oh, turn that. Pull that off. We're in business, just like that. Love it. Look at that. Gimbal's staying on there. Let's go ahead and say English. Scan the QR code. I will do that in a little bit. Swipe from left edge to enter playback. Okay. No SD card. It gives you the full walkthrough of everything you need to know. Nice. Okay. So with this then, let's scroll up. Let's do what I'm going to do. 4K, 24 frames per second, and boom. There we go. Now we are locked and loaded to film. A little bit of a zoom functionality there. Oh no, that's just a pan and tilt. So you can see the rest of the table. Cool. Then if I triple click it, I'm told, oh, double click recenters. Triple click turns it around. So now it's filming the camera, my phone, filming this. Hi. And turn it back around with another triple click. Very nice. Good deal. Press record. Looks like there's the, let's see if I can get all this focused on. There we go. Battery life indicator, gimbal swap or rotation with the touch screen. Video mode, whether you want video low light, slow-mo, time-lapse, photo, or panorama. Very nice. Just keep it on video because that's what I plan to do with it. And then a little zoom icon here, which we'll have to figure out how to, I don't think this camera is known to be a big zooming. Okay, there you go. A big zoomer, if you will. Its primary purpose, okay, it's got 2x zoom. Its primary purpose is to be a gimbal, smooth, steady video footage in a compact form. Powering off. Beautiful. Self-stores. And just like that. Turn it back on. Turn it off. Pretty easy. Then you can attach the regular battery handle down here or the extended one down here. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in and see. You just plug it in like this. Clips on. Nice. Shows me my battery's at 47%, charging up. Then I can take the tripod, thread that on here. Now, I have a fully functional camera ready to rock. Now we'll cut this thing open, throw it in there, and get some footage. If you want to see more content that I'm going to create with this, please like and subscribe the video, or please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, there will be a lot more content coming with this camera rather than my iPhone.